Today I'll discuss the double displacement reaction because in my last video of chemistry I had discussed about the single displacement reaction, or I think I can say the substitution reaction. Substitution reaction is also called the single displacement reaction. So today I'm going to talk about double displacement reaction because this is also a kind of reaction that we need to know. So today I'm going to start with the definition of this reaction. So let's see. If I write down the definition of this reaction, so the reaction the reaction in which the ions of two ionic compounds are exchanged are exchanged is known as double displacement reaction. So this is the definition: the reaction in which there happens the double displacement. I think two times displacement will happen. In the substitution reaction there was the displacement only single time, but here double time, two times displacement will happen. That's why we give the title to this kind of reaction as double displacement reaction. So I'm just going to give you the general structure of this kind of reaction. So I can say, if there is a compound of like AB, where AB, A is an ion, this is also an ion, and another is CD. So the reaction will happen just like this. This is going here and this is coming here, this ion. So this is double displacement. One displacement is this, that B from AB is going to C, is going along with C. On the other hand, D is coming along with A. So this is double displacement. This is what? Displacement. B is displacing towards C, and on the other hand D is displacing towards A. So this is double displacement. So what would be the outcome? Compound A, because D is coming here, so AD, and this is plus, this is going to there, so it will be CB. So this is the general I think mechanism of this kind of reaction. We are going to take a particular example. Suppose barium chloride. As per the example, barium chloride means BaCl2 is going to react with Na2SO4. So what happens? So this is what? AB. This is in place of A. This is A and this is B. This is C. This is D. So in the same way this will happen. So I can say this is positive sign. So it will coming. It will be here. So we are talking about AD. So AD will be what? BaSO4, and plus this is what? CB. CB means this and that. So I'll get, actually this is Na2, this is Cl2, I'll get 2NaCl. so this is barium chloride, this is barium chloride, this is sodium sulfate, and this is what? This is barium sulfate. I will not write, you can understand it. This is barium sulfate, this is, no doubt, this is sodium chloride. So this is double displacement reaction because there is actually happening the exchange of ions, because sulfate ion is coming with barium and chloride ion is going with sodium ion. So this is double displacement. That's why we can give this reaction as a particular example of double displacement reaction. And you need to know a bullet point, that is, this kind of reaction, this kind of reaction always happens with aqueous solutions. Aqueous means watery. In case of water, because these are ions, actually this reaction is a kind of displacement of ions. These are ions. So what happens first, I'm just going to deal deep in this. Suppose what happens first. Firstly, barium chloride, this is barium chloride. When barium chloride is mixed with water, it breaks into ions. This is Ba having 2 plus ions, and this is Cl. So I can say this is 2 Cl, only 1 minus sign, and Na2 SO4 breaks like that. I can say this is Na to the plus 2, and plus this is what, SO4 having 2 minus sign. So what happens when we add this? So I can say this is BaCl2, and this is plus Na2SO4. So this is quite simple. This is plus, so plus will go with this, and this plus will go with this, because plus minus, positive ions and positive charges and negative charges attract each other. So this will attract this, and this will attract this. I'll here, from here I'll get BaSO4, and from this I'll get 2NaCl. So this was all about the double displacement reaction. In the next video I'll discuss another kind of reaction. So this is all about double displacement reaction. Thank you.